you guys, we are back with another tutorial. I am finally showing you all a step-by-step tutorial of how I do my crochet bobs with the Ocean Wave Kima or Kima hair that you can possibly find at your local beauty supply store or on Amazon. And right now I am going to be parting her hair into two sections. And now I am going to start braiding about 10 to 12 cornrows across the top. Right in this section, or the same section on the other side, is normally when I would ask my client on which side did they want their part and where do they want their part. Normally I try to place the part there when I'm about to do that cornrow, so that when I'm finished I'm not trying to find out, where they want their part. I'm gonna split this up in two because it's a little bit thin, so I don't want to make them too small to put more tension on her hair. Because crochets are supposed to be a protective style. I don't know why people make their braids so tight to where they snatching everything back. Crochets are supposed to be a protective style. And I'm gonna braid this one braid across to make a bridge. The back portion of her hair I'm gonna just simply zigzag so that when I put the crochets in, they can fall over the cornrow. And I normally put the crochet hair in a brick method, like lay bricks. I would put the crochet hair in between the section that I did below it, so that there are no gaps. So with the tail part, I normally just go in and crochet it in one of the braids so that it will not come undone. And this is the hair that I am going to be using. It's a 20-inch, and she chose a number 27, which is a honey blonde. And I normally cut these in half unless they want them longer. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And on this video, I will not be showing how I actually do the crochet method as far as the knots and the whole nine. I have another video that I will link to this video that you can watch immediately following this one on crochet braid secrets. And I also tell my secrets to get the crochet braids to look how I want them to look in that video as well. So yeah, I will be linking that video to this one so that you can watch it immediately following this one. So I'm going to continue to brick lay the crochet hair in between each other. all the way until I get to the top. on that bridge portion where I connected all of the braids, I will be doubling that to make sure that that braid is not showing. Now we're gonna work our way up each braid to make sure that they're full, especially in the front. And I always try to go a little bit past the braid so that the start of the braid is not shown. And I believe I am on my second pack of hair at this moment, and I only have about 7 more braids to do at the top. And this is a really convenient and popular hairstyle that is requested. It lasts about 2 months or more if you take care of it right. And it's very low maintenance. Most people just put a bonnet on and go to sleep, wake up in the morning, run your fingers through it, and that's it. It's extremely low maintenance. And she asked for a bob, an asymmetrical bob, so I am going to be cutting it shorter in the back and leaving the front a little bit longer. And that's it. My lovely model decided not to show her face, but she did let me record the process of it being done, so I thank her for that. And this is the final product, the final and finished look. It's cute. Thank you all for watching, and tune in for my next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.